Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to make these very pretty Valentine nails. If you're interested in how I made them, then keep on watching. As you can see, I'm already wearing my press-on nails and I am going to start with 2 layers of this rubber base. I know a rubber base is not necessary since I am not working on my natural nails. I just really like this color, so that's why I'm using a rubber base for now. After the 2 layers have fully cured, I'm moving on to the gems. I am going to use a no wipe top coat to glue down the nail gems. On my ring finger I'm using 3 different sizes of pink stones. As you can see, I'm adding 1 big stone to the right corner against my cuticle. On both sides of the big stone I am putting a slightly smaller stone, and on both sides of those stones I am putting the smallest stones I have, and I will continue making the shape of a heart with the smaller stones. Once I like how the stones are positioned, I'm going to add these small silver balls in between all the gems. Now the first half of this heart is finished. Let's move on to the next one. Once again, I'm using a no wipe top coat to draw on the lines of where I want the stones to go. This time I'm starting out with the bigger stone on the left corner near my cuticle, with 2 stones that are slightly smaller on each side of the bigger stone, and all the other stones will be the smallest stones. And on this nail I'm also going to place a silver small ball in between each gem. On my pointer finger, I'm just going to outline the nail with the gems, starting with the bigger gem in the middle near the cuticle. And once again, 2 smaller gems on each side of the bigger gem, and all the other gems will be the smallest gems. And as you might have guessed, I am also putting these silver balls in between each gem on this finger too. And now onto the pinky. I am putting a vertical line of gems on this nail, and each gem will be surrounded by a silver ball. The gem in the middle of the pinky is going to be the biggest. The other gems will be slightly smaller than the one before. The thumb is also getting a vertical line of gems. I'm starting off with a heart-shaped gem. Because it's a little bit big and it keeps moving around, I cured it before moving on to the small silver balls. All the gems I'm placing after this heart gem are all the same size. most of these small silver balls keep sliding around whenever I try to use them, so I like to take my time to get them exactly how I want them to go. When all the nails are fully cured, I'm going to finish off with a no wipe top coat all over the nails. I like to add top coat over the small silver balls to make sure they don't lose their color. And that's the final look. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye!